Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super useful skill that'll make your data life much easier, how to do math with Google Sheets. Whether you're keeping a budget, crunching numbers for a project, or just looking to get more out of your spreadsheets, this tutorial will show you how to use basic math operations and some handy functions right inside Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to quickly add, subtract, multiply, divide, and even use more advanced tools like sum and average, making your spreadsheet work way more efficient and powerful. Let's get started. To make things easy, I've set up a basic sheet. Imagine in your own file you have the number 90 typed into cell A1 and 221 in cell B1. Just two numbers, but there's a lot you can do with them. First off, let's cover how to add. If you want to add the numbers in A1 and B1, just click into a new cell, type an equals sign, then A1 a plus sign and B1. So that's equals A1 plus B1. Hit enter and you'll instantly see 311 appear. This tells Google Sheets to grab whatever is in A1, add it to B1 and show the total. You don't have to type out the numbers again, so if you change one, your result updates automatically. It's super handy, especially if you're working with a long list. Now let's try subtraction. Maybe you want to see how much A1 is less than B1. We use equals A1 B1. Enter that and you'll get minus 131. Some folks get thrown off by the negative if the first number is smaller. Don't worry, that's totally normal, just like subtracting in regular math. If you ever want to reverse it to avoid negatives, just switch the cell order. Next, for multiplication, use equals A1 asterisk B1. The asterisk symbol stands for multiply in Sheets. Type that in and you'll see 19,890 show up. This is perfect if you're figuring out totals like items sold times price for revenue. The multiplication operator is really your digital calculator. For division, type equals A1 slash B1. This divides A1 by B1, so you'll see something like 0.407. That's A1, which is 90 divided by 221. If you get a long decimal, that's okay. You can round it or format it if you want neater results. And remember, never divide by 0. Sheets will show an error if you try, just like a calculator. Feeling brave? For exponents, try equals A1 B1. That caret symbol means to the power of. A1 raised to the 221st power is, well, an astronomically large number, so Sheets will show it in scientific notation. Don't be alarmed if you see something like e plus 210. That just means a really big number. For roots, use equals SQRT A1. This finds the square root of A1, giving you a result like 9.49. Functions like SQRT are handy if you need more advanced math, like figuring out standard deviations or growth rates. But what about adding up more than two numbers? That's where sum comes in. Instead of equals A1 plus B1 plus A2 plus B2, you can just write equals sum A1 B2 to add everything in the range from A1 to B2. It's quick and you won't miss anything out if you have a bigger list. Similarly, if you want the average, use equals average A1 B2 and Sheets calculates it for you automatically. Multiplying a range, use equals product A1 B2. It'll multiply all the values in that block, saving you from typing each one. And if you ever want to explore further, you can click Insert and then Function to browse through tons of built-in options for math, statistics, or even text manipulation. Experimenting is a great way to discover what's possible. Remember, it's all about saving time and making your work accurate. Don't worry if you make a typo or things don't look right. You can always undo or double-check your formulas. Thanks so much for watching. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you've got any questions or want to see more on Google Sheets. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more easy how-to videos, and I'll see you in the next one.